Can Dogecoin, Doge, see a 100% surge and reach a price of 15 cents? The price of Doge has successfully surpassed a diagonal resistance level that has persisted over a significant period of time. Nevertheless, the inability to maintain the upward trajectory raises concerns about the viability of the long-term optimistic market trend. The readings on the weekly timescale exhibit a clear and strong bullish sentiment. Nevertheless, the price movement observed on the daily period does not provide conclusive evidence to support the long-term readings. A decline in the short-term channel would indicate a bearish trend, whilst a breakout would validate the long-term bullish indicators and perhaps result in a substantial upward movement. The price of Doge has successfully surpassed a notable resistance level that has persisted over an extended period of time. However, the inability to maintain the upward trajectory raises skepticism regarding the reversal of the positive trend. Furthermore, the short-term trajectory remains uncertain. There remains a possibility that the outbreak was not authentic. Is there a possibility of an increase in the price of Dogecoin? Based on the study of the time frame, it can be observed that the price of Doge underwent a decline within a specified period, specifically from May 2021 onwards. This decline occurred within the context of a declining resistance line subsequent to reaching its highest point at $0.739. The aforementioned decrease resulted in a minimal value of $0.049, shown by a green icon, in June of 2022. Following this, the cryptocurrency known as Doge experienced a period of recuperation and resumed trading at a level above the horizontal support level of $0.060. Following a series of futile endeavors spanning a period of 6 months, the price of Doge ultimately breached the resistance line on July 15. The aforementioned resistance line had been established and maintained for a remarkable period of 805 days. The Doge/BTC pair exhibits a comparable tendency. Breakouts resulting from protracted patterns such as the one described frequently suggest substantial price surges, serving as indicators of the termination of the preceding trend. It is noteworthy to mention that the emergence of this particular surge can potentially be connected to the Twitter rebranding efforts undertaken by Elon Musk. Nevertheless, it is crucial to emphasize that the projected increase in price has not materialized as of yet. The examination of the Weekly Relative Strength Index (RSI) reading does not produce a conclusive result. The Relative Strength Index (RSI) is employed by traders as a momentum indicator to assess the degree to which a market is overbought or oversold, thereby informing their decisions regarding the optimal timing for asset purchase or sale. When the Relative Strength Index (RSI) reading exceeds 50 and exhibits an upward trend, it indicates a favorable inclination towards bullish mood. Conversely, RSI readings below 50 indicate the opposite feeling. During the preceding fortnight, as indicated by the green circle, the Relative Strength Index (RSI) has constantly maintained a close proximity to the 50 threshold. The confirmation of a reversal in the bullish trend will be established by a strong recovery from this particular mark. Conversely, a conspicuous decrease below such level will indicate that the breakout was not authentic. Price prediction of Doge: is the trend favorable or unfavorable? The investigation of the daily timeframe from a technical standpoint reveals a combination of viewpoints. The primary reason for this can be attributed to the presence of divergent price fluctuations recorded over the course of the current year. A notable occurrence took place on July 24, wherein the Doge price exhibited a bullish trend by surpassing a declining resistance line. The aforementioned line had been established and maintained for a duration of 265 days prior to the occurrence of the outbreak. Nevertheless, the price was unable to maintain this upward trajectory. However, it subsequently retraced in order to validate the line as a support level on August 4. As indicated by the green icon, the observed phenomenon might be viewed as a recurring pattern of breaking out and subsequently retesting. It is crucial to acknowledge that the price movement subsequent to the June lows has been contained within an ascending parallel channel. Channels of this nature often exhibit corrective price fluctuations, indicating the likelihood of a potential future scenario involving a possible breakdown from said channel. In the event that this particular scenario were to occur, it is anticipated that the meme currency would experience a decline below the resistance line, so rendering the previous breakout inconsequential. In the given situation, it is quite probable that the future price trend will witness a significant decrease of around 25% from the June lows, reaching a value of $0.055. On the contrary, the validation of the previous long-term breakout and the subsequent successful breakout from this channel could potentially result in a significant 100% increase, with the objective of reaching the price highs observed in November 2022, which are approximately $0.150. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, does not serve as a means of validating the existing trend. Although the indicator surpasses the threshold of 50, it does not provide substantial evidence of a bullish trend. However, it remains just above this threshold, indicating a lack of significant change. In brief, although the future trajectory of Dogecoin's price exhibits a positive outlook over the long run, the immediate trend in the short term remains indeterminate. In the event of a channel breakdown, it is expected that the negative trend will continue. Conversely, if there is a breakout from the channel, it would confirm a reversal in the long-term bullish trend, which may potentially result in a significant 100% increase in price. Bitcoin price forecast: as BTC surges by 2% during a 24-hour period, is it an opportune moment for investment? The recent increase in Bitcoin's price by 2% over a span of 24 hours has given rise to conjecture on its potential ramifications for investors. With the ongoing evolution of market dynamics, one is prompted to ponder whether the current boom in Bitcoin's value signifies a favorable juncture to contemplate its acquisition. Let us proceed to ascertain. Exploring the prospects of Bitcoin integration, insights from Michael Saylor. During a recent podcast interview, Michael Saylor, the Chief Executive Officer, CEO, of MicroStrategy, expounded upon his viewpoint regarding the increasing phenomenon of major corporations adopting and consolidating Bitcoin. Saylor underscored the inescapable nature of third-party and corporate participation inside the Bitcoin ecosystem. The speaker expressed that with the increasing integration of Bitcoin into society, there will be a proliferation of diverse applications, rendering a universally applicable strategy impractical. Saylor delineated three primary justifications for the necessity of caretakers inside the realm of Bitcoin. The user's text lacks the necessary academic tone and structure. It would be more appropriate to. The subject